Hello and welcome to this session. Here we will note down some key takeaways from the code example that we saw in the previous session. So, what is the principal benefit that we got from the new design in the previous example? Ease of adding new features. This can translate to cost savings. Let's see how. Assume we do not follow the open-closed principle. Then, for all additional features, we will end up having to modify the existing code. The more the number of changes we introduce to the existing code, the more time we need to spend on testing and quality assurance to make sure we did not introduce any bug into the existing code. If we follow the open-closed principle, it's not that we do not have to test at all, we still need to test, but testing a new piece of code is much easier than having to run a whole regression test suite on the existing code. Speak to any QA tester, he will swear by this rule. So to sum up, ease of adding new features leads to minimum cost of developing and testing that is involved. Next benefit, though not quite obvious, is that we unknowingly did quite a bit of decoupling when we revamped our design. So after we made our design conform to the open-closed principle, we ended up with components that were more loosely coupled with one another. So we unknowingly followed the single responsibility principle as well. So a key point here is that the solid principles are all intertwined and interdependent. They are most effective when they are combined together. So it is important that you get a wholesome view of all the solid principles. Next, a word of caution. Do not follow the open-closed principle blindly. You will end up with a huge number of classes that can complicate your overall design. For example, if you were to fix a bug and if you think existing code has to be modified in order to fix the bug effectively, then go do it. Do not think about revamping the design just to fix the bug. But if you see repeated occurrences of certain kinds of bugs and you think that revamping your design can help reduce it, then by all means do it. So it is a subjective rather than an objective decision to decide when and where to apply the open-closed principle to your design. So that's it for this session where we analyzed what we learned from our code example. Let's now move on to the next session.